Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix keyboard not working in Windows 11. So there are three methods to fix this issue. Method number one is just go to the start button, right click over it and click on the settings option. Now in the left hand side just click on accessibility option. Now in the right hand side just go down and just click on this option keyboard. Now just enable this on-screen keyboard by just toggling it on. Now close this window and now we will type with the help of this on-screen keyboard. Now just go to the start button again, right click over it and click on the run option. Now in the run window just type regedit. After typing regedit, just click on the OK button. Click on yes. And now just expand this HKey local machine folder. Then expand the system folder. Then expand current control set folder. Then expand services. Now under this, just search for i8042PRT folder. So here it is, i8042PRT folder. So just click on it. Now go to the right hand side and just double click on this start key. And now just change the value data from 3 to 1. So just change the value data to 1. After this just click on the OK button and close this window. Now just restart your system. And after restarting your system, just check whether your keyboard is working or not. So this was method number 1. If method number 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. Go to the start button, right click over it and click on the option device manager. Now just expand this keyboard. And now just click on the standard PS/2 keyboard. After selecting the keyboard driver, just right click over it and click on the update driver option. Now click on the first option, search automatically for drivers. So it will search the internet for the updated driver, and if it shows some updated driver, then just click on the install button to install it. But if it shows this message, the best driver for your device are already installed, then just click on this arrow icon to go back. Then just click on this option, browse my computer for drivers. Then just click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now select this standard PS/2 keyboard and click on the next button. Click on the close button. After this just click on the yes button to restart your system. I will click on this no button as I am doing the video recording. So you just restart your system, and after restarting your system, just check whether your keyboard is working or not. So this was method number 2. If method number 2 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. Go to the start button, right click over it and click on the settings option. Now in the left hand side just click on accessibility option. Now in the right hand side just go down and click on keyboard option. Now if this option filter keys is turned on in your system like this, then just turn it off by clicking on this toggle. So this filter keys option should be turned off. After turning it off, just check whether your keyboard is working or not. So these were the 3 methods that you can try out to fix keyboard not working in Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.